Hey YouTube, Jared here with Omnivore Blade Works. It's February 3rd and I've been grinding a lot lately, trying to get a batch ready in 1095 steel so that we can have our heat treater take care of that part, the new ones, and then also take some of the tomahawks that I made previously that was improperly hardened and see if they turn out right with the old heat treater. And then maybe we can ship some good tomahawks sooner than later. As soon as this batch is done, which is almost ready, I'm going to be transitioning into handwork real soon because I've done almost all the grinding here at the belt grinder. We'll be working on straightening new tomahawk blanks and then having the CNC machining on many of the blade bevels hired out here in town. We did I got a request for a jackal tomahawk. This is the last blank that I had with the canine pommel, and fellow wanted to have a front spike on it and he didn't care about the underhooks, so this is something I was able to do fairly quickly because I don't have to machine under the beard. So the handle will terminate like a regular jackal handle down here, and then the upper part might terminate like our concealed carry tomahawk, which nobody knows about really yet. Or maybe we could go and do a dog bone termination up at the top so you have a little more purchase for your hand if you choked it up on it. So that'll remain to be seen, but you can see how nasty that front spike is. It's all sharp inside of there, so that will be a very wicked combat tool. I also have a couple more blanks that are cut out like that, so if that interested you, I've got 2 more blanks that I can get ready for this batch. So let me know if you want one of those. We have 2 Horus short swords. This is a survival sword concept that has a gripping surface here on the spine. Also it's crowned so you can crack coconut with it pretty easily. And then the edge here is just a reserve edge, which also lightens the whole sword, so that once you have chopped a bunch with your primary edge, you still have something in the back that stays sharp and out of the high impact jobs. It's a similar concept as our horribilis Bowie knife, just bigger and with a different handle. And I'm actually finally going to be making one of these out of 3V for one of my first customers who's been waiting for the 3V version for years and years. So it'll look just like this, and it'll be 0.3 inch thick 3V. We're having that water jet cut right now. So there'll be some daggers, dagger blanks like this, and there'll be some, what else? Some hidden tang Bowie knife blanks, and a few tomahawk blanks, and then a few of these too, the unkindness. So that'll be available in 3V as well. And the cost of the blades in 3V are about 20% more in terms of overall cost, as far as I can tell. Like for a tomahawk blank, it's about 120 bucks more just for the material than it is for 1095, which is crazy, but that's what it is. So anyway, there's a slew of different designs in this batch that will be going out. I'm going to do a lot of handwork on these things, just deburring, rounding over, and getting ready to have the handles fit. And then we'll just move on to more tomahawks and try to get those made as quick as we can. And that'll be that. So, February 3rd, getting work done. It's raining, really nasty day today, so see how it goes from here on out.